First, we will talk about why extreme rainfall is getting stronger as the climate warms. Because the warmer the atmosphere, the more moisture it can hold. Heating the air by 1 degree Celsius, it can hold about 7% more water. That means the storm will get wetter. The maximum rainfall from a hurricane would be at least 50% more than if people hadn't warmed the planet. Storms can generate their own weather, such as pools of cold air near the ground, which can trigger more convection. Climate change can amplify these effects, causing objects to become stronger and wider, drawing in more warm air from the surrounding area, and causing more rainfall.
Second, the thing I'm talking about is that extreme precipitation events always happen, but will their frequency change? On June 13, 2020, a violent hailstorm hit Calgary, causing more than $1 billion in damage, the most expensive hailstorm in Canadian history. When the climate warms, the water cycle accelerates the warmer atmosphere to hold more things, creating potential that available since then suggests that the atmosphere has become wetter, largely due to human-induced warming. Many studies have explained precipitation-related change, often focusing on average conditions rather than extreme, because individual events are complex and sparse. The evolving technology means there are no long-term records yet. That's allows scientists to label extreme trend. There are indicators that these changes in extreme rainfall are due to human influence on the global climate, with extreme single-day rainfall events occur regularly every 20 years in the past, and the heavy snow, freezing rain, and the hailstorm occur roughly every 50 years war.
Third, the article shows that the reason of heavier downfall. Scientists believe multiple cause global warming is to condemn. That's because climate change is supercharging the water cycle's evaporation process and interacting with downfall patterns. Air at warmer temperatures can catch more water vapor than air at cooler temperatures, while the added water vapor represents there's more water available for heavier snow and rain.
Fourth, this topic describes the delayed effect of extreme precipitation in Europe. It said the floods will cost tens of billions of dollars in damage and deaths. So people find out the floods moisture comes from the Atlantic and the Pacific, and atmospheric circulation will influence too. After understanding the flood source, people developing a state-of-the-art seasonal forecasting system to avoid extreme natural disaster.
Finally, this topic describes more and more extreme rain events since the mid-20th century. It gives a lot of recent examples. For example, the August 2017 rainfall broke the record for the most single rainfall in the United States. Excessive rainfall could endanger human health and the environment. There are a number of ways we can reduce the impact of heavy precipitation, such as use of fall protection infrastructure or place permanent with green infrastructure.